Welcome to the Car Vibes Chain Hill. And today we are going to explore the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Gentro, a car that revives one of Volkswagen's most iconic models and reimagines it for the modern age. The original Karmann Ghia was a blend of elegance and sportiness, admired for its timeless curves and unique character. The 2025 Gentro pays tribute to that legacy, but with a fully modernized approach, featuring advanced engineering, technology, and comfort while still carrying the spirit of the original coupe. It is not just a nostalgic remake, but a serious attempt by Volkswagen to balance style, performance, and practicality in one sleek package. At first sight from the front, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Gentro is a striking mix of retro inspiration and modern design language. The rounded nose takes cues from the original design, but now integrates sharp LED headlamps with a distinctive daytime running light signature that instantly gives it a futuristic appeal. The front grille is minimalistic, as expected from an electric-focused model, but Volkswagen has given it subtle chrome lines and a smooth surface that feels both premium and aerodynamic. The hood is slightly sloped with refined creases that highlight the car's sporty stance, while the lower bumper features air intakes for cooling and a strong athletic character. Overall, the front end conveys sophistication while still hinting at its performant abilities. Looking from the side, the Karmann Ghia Gentro maintains a flowing coupe-like silhouette that respects the heritage of the classic model. The long, sweeping roofline and compact proportions create an elegant profile, while strong character lines on the doors and fenders give the car a more muscular presence compared to its predecessor. The frameless doors and flush-fitting handles add to the modern minimalism, and the large alloy wheels with aerodynamic patterns reflect both style and efficiency. The slightly flared arches give it a planted look, suggesting stability and grip on the road. This side view emphasizes a blend of past and future, a true retro-modern design. At the back, the design continues to impress with a sculpted and futuristic approach. The taillights stretch seamlessly across the width of the rear, connected by an illuminated Volkswagen badge that glows softly, adding a premium touch at night. The boot lid is short and clean, with a subtle spoiler integrated into the design for aerodynamic efficiency. The rear bumper houses sleek reflectors and a diffuser-style lower section that enhances the sporty appeal. The overall rear styling makes the car feel wider and more grounded, perfectly balancing elegance with boldness. Stepping inside, the interior of the Karmann Ghia Gentro is where Volkswagen has truly showcased its ability to combine retro charm with cutting-edge technology. The cabin is minimal yet luxurious, featuring a wide digital dashboard that seamlessly integrates the driver's display and infotainment system into one clean panel. High-quality materials such as soft leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood inserts are used throughout, giving an upscale feel. The steering wheel carries a two-spoke design reminiscent of the original Karmann Ghia, but with modern controls embedded for convenience. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, designed with premium cushioning and contrast stitching that enhances the classic modern vibe. Space is optimized for both driver and passenger, making it practical for daily use, while ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance during night drives. In terms of performance, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Gentro delivers power and efficiency with modern electrification. The base model is expected to come with a dual-motor setup offering around 320 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and instant torque delivery. Higher trims could push this closer to 400 horsepower, giving enthusiasts plenty of excitement behind the wheel. Acceleration from 0 to 60 is expected in around 4.5 to 5 seconds, which is quick for a car that focuses as much on design as it does on performance. The handling is tight and precise thanks to Volkswagen's new chassis tuning, while multiple driving modes allow the car to adapt to city cruising, highway comfort, or spirited driving on twisty roads. Battery efficiency is another highlight, with an estimated range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, supported by fast charging capability that allows 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Pricing for the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Gentro is expected to start at around $45,000 for the standard model, placing it in the premium coupe segment. Higher trims with advanced performance packages and luxury features may climb into the $55,000 to $60,000 range. This pricing strategy makes it an attractive option for buyers who want a blend of iconic styling, advanced technology, and everyday usability without reaching supercar price levels. For those considering this model, the Karmann Ghia Gentro is best suited for drivers who value individuality, design, and heritage while also wanting modern practicality and electric efficiency. It's not just a car to get from point A to B. It's a statement vehicle that brings character back to the road. Suggestions for buyers would be to consider which trim suits their lifestyle, as the base version offers plenty for daily use, while higher trims reward enthusiasts who crave extra power and features. In conclusion, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Gentro revives a legendary name in a way that feels authentic yet futuristic. It respects the design roots of the past, while giving buyers the benefits of modern performance, luxury, and efficiency. For those who want a stylish coupe that stands out, delivers engaging performance, and carries the charm of classic reborn, this is a model worth serious attention. Thank you for joining Car Vibes Channel, and stay tuned for more reviews as we continue to explore the cars that are shaping the next era of driving.